Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my fully loaded breakfast skillet. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by grabbing our skillet or pan, set it over medium-high heat and allow it to heat up. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add 6 strips of bacon. We're going to cook it for about 7 minutes or until it's nice and crispy. Once our bacon is nice and golden, we're going to remove it from the pan. Okay, now to our pan, we're going to be adding 2 small diced potatoes. And I'm just going to be seasoning with total seasoning. Now cook the potatoes for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, our potatoes should be fully cooked. They should be nice and soft. Of course, make sure that you check them. We're going to remove them from the pan, set it with the bacon. Remove as much oil as possible. Okay, now we're just going to remove all of the bacon grease from our pan. Now returning to our pan over medium heat, I'm going to be cooking my sausage chorizo. Going to be cooking it for a few minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes, I'm going to be adding 3 beef franks. Going to give it another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to be adding my turkey. Mix it in, give it another minute. Okay, after the minute, going to be adding the green bell pepper, half an onion, and 1 red bell pepper. Just going to cook up for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add in our potatoes and bacon. Now just mix it all together. So at this point, everything should be fully cooked. So now we're just going to get ready to add in our eggs. So here we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low. We're going to create little wells. Add the egg. Okay, now depending on how many eggs you want to add, then it depends on how many wells you're going to create. Okay, once we have our eggs, we're going to cover it and allow it to steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, I'm going to open my pan. And here I'm just going to be adding some cheese. Okay, cover it again and allow that cheese to melt. So my cheese has melted. Okay, so now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, it's quick, and I promise you that everyone is going to enjoy it. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This is everything you can ask for, all in one bite. Perfection. The combinations of the meat, the potatoes, the cheese, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious fully loaded breakfast skillet. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you really get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.